Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. 2 out of 8. Yes. Of today's newspaper on Friday, Friday, October the 16th, 2020. In this additional, we have 3 Sudokus to go. 1 Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary I will do. So not all the Sudokus I will solve. This Sudoku will be number 1764. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This Sudoku has 24 as usual. You can check if this is correct. So let's get started. Alright, let me see. How about the 1? We see here a 1 in this row, a 1 in that row, so in the row between the middle row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We see here the 2 and the 4 in this column, so no 2 and the 4 in these 2 boxes, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you, 2 and the 4. That means the other 2 boxes in this big square are reserved for the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Alright. 3, 8. Let me see. How about 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 missing, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here or there. I see here another 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8. Alright, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 5, the 7, and the 8. 5, 7, 8. We see here 5, so no 5 in this box. We see here an 8, so no 8 in that box. So 1 digit left should be the 7. The 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. And do we have a pair here? No. Let me think. Number 5. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so in the middle column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the middle column is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in that box, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then 2 2 1 5. Alright. 5 and an 8, 5 and an 8. 2 2. I'm thinking. We have a pair. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 1. We have the 6 and the 1 in this column, so no 6 and the 1 in these 3 boxes. The 6 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes and there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. We have a pair again, 6 and a 7 in this row, 6 and a 7 in that row. So in the row between, the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright, so this, we have a 2 and a 4 as a pair, here a pair. So this must be also a pair. The 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square, should be the number 5. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. And these 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. 5 and 8. 5, 8, and 8. 7 is missing. Alright. Let me think. These 2 numbers in this row, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes, and there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, we see there 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. Alright. So these 3 numbers should be the 2, the 8, and the 6. 386. 286. 286. 286. Alright. 5, 8. These 3 numbers, 1, 2 is missing, 5 is missing, and the 4 is missing. Alright. Let me think. I need a pair. 4. It's taking too long. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. Yeah, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 boxes left now. The 8 and the 6 is missing. 8 and the 6. 8, 6. Alright. 7, 7. These 2 should be a 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Wow. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 8, 7, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so in the column between the second column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2, but those 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the 5 and the 4. 5 and the 4, let me mark them for you. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 4 and 5 and 8. 5 and 8. Alright. How about 2, 4? Yes. These 3 missing numbers in this column. The missing numbers in this column are the 2, the 4, and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4 in this big square, no 4 here. Only place for the 4 should be in there. So the 2 and the 8 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then 7, 7, 2, 4, 8, 5. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. Here an 8. No 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. The 4 and the 5. 4, 5, 4, 5. Alright. So now we have the 8 here. So this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5. This should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here. This should be a 5. We have a 5 here. This should be a 4. We have a 4 here. This should be a 5. We have a 5 here. This should be a 4. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see here 4. We see there 4. So no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 5. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 5 and 6. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7, 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the column next, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, 7 and a 6 in this column. We see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one faster than the previous one. Is this really a 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so, because a 3-star Sudoku I need more than 30 minutes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the tectonic and a binary later on. So bye bye for now.